how to capture vibrant colors and enhance contrast with the Samsung S25 video camera. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then from the slide out toolbar, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down to the videos section and then tap on advanced video options. In here, make sure you turn on HDR. With HDR turned on, you can capture a wider range of color and contrast by recording in 10-bit HDR, which is compatible with most apps and devices. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Now at the top here, you can choose to turn off or turn on HDR when you are recording a video. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.